AI is a game changer when it comes to security. It's not just an incremental improvement, it's a paradigm shift. It's not just about bigger bombs and faster jets anymore. It's about smarter systems that can outthink and outmaneuver traditional defenses. It's about a whole new way of waging war, gathering intelligence and controlling populations. The rules of engagement are being rewritten. And for Pakistan, understanding these threats is just the first step in figuring out how to counter them. It's a complex puzzle that requires new strategies and approaches. Because in the age of AI, the only thing more dangerous than being unprepared is being left behind. The future of national security depends on how well we adapt to these new challenges. Opportunities knocking, how AI can boost Pakistan's global game. Okay, so we've talked about the challenges. But let's not forget, AI isn't all